So now what we're gonna we talked about the fractal fill. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the fractal fill. So do that. Okay, we can remove that off the chart because we talked about it. Now let's talk about the short-term momentum. So the short-term momentum is comprised of two different indicators merged together to make one indicator. As you can see, let me find where actually just do, oops. I don't know what I'm doing. I have special abilities called retardation. Okay. So as you can see, the fractal fill right here is the center line, or the line in which the price action stays most current with. You can see how it's being painted between two separate lines. Both lines do change color. You want to look for reversals in the fill and the fill of this line. But you also really want to pay attention to the red when it paints red in this. It's super simple to use. The colors change. It changes color. Purple is bearish. Red is bearish. Green is bullish, of course. So let's bring back the chart and look at it. And let's actually turn off this one because we're overlapping on the candles. I don't want that. Okay, let's remove that. Okay, so right, what I do to help visualize this is I've never told anybody this, but it's super simple. So visual order, you want to send back, and then click right here, and then you can see that when you use this, you can see the colors a lot better, and you can still see the candles and everything, so you can see the indicator better. So that's a trick to seeing the that indicator while it's being painted behind the candles. And then you can also see how this was in an uptrend, and then we got a fill halfway through the candle, and the price action went down. We had a little bit of a buy opportunity right here. The price action went up, and then the lines went ahead and continued to paint bearish. Price action went down. The price action also went up in price, but it remained in a bearish state. So it's a weighted average, and you really want to pay attention to it because it's basically this, just with different parts and different frames of the visual thing right here, because as you can see, this right here, it's painted, but up here it's not. Same thing with this. You can see that it's painted red, and all through here it's painted red. So there's slightly different information available on this to help you trade and scalp the market a little bit more efficient. It's more of a short-term momentum, so you can use it in comparison with the waves and really scalp the shit out of the market using that. All right, and